now I am replacing the backup camera on this 2018 Kia Soul. Here's the parts we got from Kia. The problem is when you put it in reverse, it's just a black screen. So I got some of the fasteners out. I got ahead of you a little bit, but there's 2 Phillips head screws here. Just in there in the hole, pretty easy. Figure it out. You drop it on the ground. I've got the other side out, and then there's clips in here. I got it loosened up, but you just got to pull really hard. And they're just push clips. Then, right up here, you're supposed to take these screws out, but these are just turning. I imagine they're rusted off and broken. So, and there's 3 on the sides. I got some of them took off. I was trying to figure out how it came off before you come out. It's just these. There's a good chance these might be seeds too. So be careful. You could end up needing a new piece of trim here if the studs turn and break the plastic. You'll see when I get it off. And then there's these clips here. Rather than pull on the piece of trim, push on these clips so you don't break it. So just squeeze them and push them up. I broke them before. There must be another one or something. Yeah, there's one way up there. So I'm going to get my pry bar, try to pop that out. Rather than pull on the piece of trim, you want to push it on these clips. You're not going to be able to see in there. You can try. You want to try to see in there? There's a clip in there. It's a blue. You might see it there. Okay. There you go. That's not the right weapon. It's stuck in there. I'm gonna have to try to pull it off. See what happened? That's okay. I'm just gonna have to try to cheat it out here because that clip won't come out. I think I'm just gonna lift it off. I'm gonna try. Let's clip some on. that stuck on there. I really don't want to break it because that's going to be flopping around. You can see it from this side. So you just work around. I don't want to take these out because I know they're going to break off like the other one did. I really don't want to buy a new one. I'm just going to get a short screwdriver, try to get that in. What a pain in the ass. I'd rather just try to sneak it out of here and break that piece of trim. It's making it harder. It's just two small screws in there. Right in there. A nice Nova Scotia winters with all the salt. I should be able to get this out of here. There we go. You can see the nuts I was trying to take off from the inside there. The other ends are rusted off. So we'll go back inside and unplug it. Let's push in on this lock. And then push your grommet through. And there's the old camera. Let's go over and make sure we got the right part. There's a part number there if you want to see it. Looks like the right one. I'm going to peel this off. Looks right to me. Let's get it in there. So you just fish your plug down through. Get your Pop your grommet in. Don't cut yourself. Well, this is going to be a tricky part without taking this off. But it should be doable. This would be a lot easier if I could get this piece of trim off. Fish it in there. Eventually you'll win. I need even a shorter screwdriver. We'll try a ratchet and a screwdriver. See how that works. They're almost in there. It's like the Chinese deck screws. You never get a screwdriver to fit it. It doesn't have to go crazy tight. I just want to make sure it's tight. I could barely see it. All right. I'll plug this in and try it out. Yeah, there we go. Just the hatch had to be closed, which is I didn't think about. Now let's get this wire back on in the grooves. Can't tell where it was. So I was working blind, I just pulled it out. Bear with me. Just tap it in. It's just this one. There we go. You think you gotta be gentle, but that's the problem. screws back in. Don't want to put them on too tight because you never get them off. So we can't tighten these. These are already broke off. And we got all the clips in. I mean, the clips alone will hold it on. Piece back on, the inside trim. It just snaps on. And your 2 screws. Well, that was a royal pain in the ass, but we got it. It works anyway. So until next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.